Yo guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to yet another video. And in today's video, we're going to fix... Light. I need light. That's a lot better. In today's video, we are going to fix the motorcycle trailer because I want to pick up a lot of motorcycles this year. Now, I do not only want to do KTM related motorcycle stuff, I also want to do more brands. So I am a BMW media partner, I'm a KTM media partner, which is also frankly a GasGas and Husqvarna media partner. So I got GasGas, KTM, Husqvarna and BMW. I do want to add some more brands. As you guys know, I have a Honda CRF 110F, brand new one. And I also ordered the Honda CT 125 Hunter Cup from Japan. And that is coming also. So I'm kind of a Honda fan too. But I asked Honda to be a media partner and they said no. That's a sad story. But anyway, there are of course a ton of other brands. I'm thinking about doing Yamaha, Ducati, and Kawasaki also. What do you guys think? And I almost forgot, Happy freaking New Year to everyone. Should have started the video with Happy New Year. What brands should I review as well? I'm also thinking about Royal Enfield, like that really cheap brand. Bikes are like really cheap. Really budget friendly. And also Suzuki. I know I got a good shot at Suzuki. Might have to try out a brand new Hayabusa. You guys know that I have an awesome motorcycle trailer. So yeah, last time you guys seen it, it was actually silver. I had a lot of stuff powder coated in shiny black. Also put Brabus wheels on it, because I'm probably going to pull the motorcycle trailer with my Brabus. That one. So I thought, let me build a trailer that actually fits the car. I already got the Brabus wheels on it. Oh yeah, those are a couple of YouTube play buttons. A lot of people have been asking me lately what my actual job is. Well, my actual job is YouTube. So that's why I got a lot of play buttons. So as you guys can tell, I already painted the fenders in Obsidian Black. Obsidian Black is actually the same color as the Mercedes. And we got the brand nice, spanking new Brabus wheels. Model Y Brabus wheels, forged, same as the car. Shiny like a baby's behind. Oh yeah. So the parts have all been blacked out. And this on the drive plates or whatever you want to call it, is like this special structure to make it extra strong and extra sturdy. So yeah, there is actually a lot more coming this year. Not really sure what I'm going to do, but I asked you guys a lot of questions on the channel. A lot of you guys were like, yeah, more motorcycle reviews, motorcycle adventures. Some people did say the Suzuki Jimny, so I cannot leave my beloved Jimny behind. Also going to be making Suzuki Jimny videos for this year. But I mean, last year has been pretty fun and pretty amazing. I cannot lie about that. I had a pretty good year. But I wasn't really focusing on this Smokey channel. Yeah, I was doing my other YouTube channels more than I actually did the Life of Smokey one. But for 2023, I'm going to try and push this channel to 100,000 subscribers. 100,000 subscribers now. That is a lot, I know. I'm making this video now at 38,000. So yeah, it's gonna be a lot of work. It's going to be a lot of videos. And it's going to be a lot of begging for motorcycles. And maybe cars, not really sure, but let's see what we can get. And there is going to be a lot of god dang it's this year as well. I'm pretty sure of that. I'm not really aiming for 1 million subscribers this year, because that is way too much to get in a single year, but I can at least try and go for 100,000 and get another silver play button. I really like my silver play buttons. God damn. Ah! For you. Gotta add these bushings in it. Now, so yeah, I'm going to try and ride as many motorcycles as I can this year and give you guys my honest opinion, because on different posts, different motorcycle reviews, a lot of people have been asking me like, do this one, do that one, do the Kawasaki ZLXRR ZH2 Turbo, something like that. So yeah, thank you all for giving those comments, because those comments actually give me good video ideas. But of course, I'm still figuring out, do I really have to go on really crazy adventures with every motorcycle? Do I have to pop wheelies with it? Not really sure about it. Got a lot of thinking about this channel. It's going to be a lot of motorcycles. That is a fact. And hopefully buy some more. And that is also the main reason why I'm actually pimping. That's actually the reason why I'm pimping my motorcycle trailer to fit my car. So if I'm going to take some pictures, it's gotta look dope. I want to be the #1 motorcycle reviewer in a couple years. As for now, I do not see myself as a good motorcycle reviewer. At the moment, I'm just a trailer builder. But a lot of you guys did give me a lot of good comments and a very high thumbs up percentage, which actually motivated me to get in contact with more companies. Still have to contact a lot more companies, but I mean, get in contact with more companies and beg for more motorcycles. Now, I do not like to beg. I do not like to talk big of myself and pretend like I'm the best or whatnot. I try to do my best to make as good videos possible. So yeah, and I need you guys to help me with that. Now I do look at my graphs, of course, because YouTube is my full-time job with other YouTube channels, and I know how to analyze videos. But for the Smokey channel, I still actually have to analyze a lot of videos. So by doing that, I can actually tell what you guys like the most. So last summer when I took the BMW GS, I think, no, it was my Adventure. So last summer when I took my Super Adventure R to the bike ranch, when I walked into the ladies' bathroom, you guys actually liked that. But then again, when I started eating that sausage, yeah, you guys, a lot of people just left the video because I started eating a sausage. Maybe a little bit gay, I don't know.
Gay!
Begging Ducati to get some motorcycles, because I mean those new sports bikes, god dang it, V2, V4, those are like really incredible machines. And yeah, sadly enough, KTM is not really making any more race bikes, besides the RC8R thingies that are only made for track. So I want to ride some race bikes as well, and I don't really want to buy all those race bikes. So if you know anybody at Ducati Netherlands, Kawasaki Netherlands, Belgium, Yamaha Belgium, let them know about my channel. I'm really looking forward to working with these guys. So yeah.
I need more motorcycles.
I'm also sorry that it did take a long time before I uploaded a new video. Because you know, New Year, every time it's New Year and the holidays are coming, I'm getting sick for some weird reason. I thought I had COVID, but it was actually just the flu. Still a little cough on the flu. So yeah, last couple of months, there was a lot of people that have been asking me the same questions over and over, because I'm going live on TikTok a lot and I'm explaining some YouTube stuff, and not a lot of people know it on this channel, but I do have almost 6 million subscribers. Not on this channel, of course, but on different channels. And that's also how I pay for my motorcycles and for my car and my life, obviously. And so yeah, a lot of people asking me a ton of questions about YouTube, and that's why I'm actually launching a YouTube course. So not really uploading a lot of videos on this channel, and that is because the last couple of months I've been working hard on my own personal YouTube course. So just in case anybody wants to be a YouTuber as well, doesn't really matter if you're a motorcycle guy or if you love to playing with Lego, if you love playing with Lego or whatever, Doesn't really matter. Anything you can dream of, you can make videos of, and you can become a YouTuber. It's that easy. But it is a lot of work to get your channel started and to do everything perfect. And there's also a lot of scammers. There's also a lot of scammers out there that are just copy pasting stupid courses that makes no sense whatsoever, like those business courses. You see some people making videos in Bali or in Dubai. Look at me, I'm selling a business course. It's only $2,000 to financial freedom. And then I'm always like, God dang it, absolutely hate these guys. Yeah, and now I'm making my own course and I feel like a scammer myself. But, you know, I've been on YouTube for 12 years. Like I said, I have over, I think, 2.5 billion views. I looked it up because I'm making the course, so I'm putting some material in there. And I have like 2.5, 3 billion views in a couple years. So I kind of know what I'm doing. Not really on this channel, because this channel is not growing the fastest that I've ever done. Because yeah, that's kind of my fault. I'm making Jimny videos, KTM videos, Brabus videos. I've got everything all mixed up. And that's not good to grow a channel fast. Boop, boop, doop, boop. And of course, a lot of people have been asking me, so what are your main channels? What are your biggest channels? Because you got a lot of play buttons. But rule number 1, never send people to a YouTube channel that have no interest in your videos. That's a big mistake some people make. They send people to their YouTube channel that have 0 interest, and your channel will absolutely die. That's how simple it works. Aha! Because you do need a good average view duration. So if people click your video, like you guys did on this one, and you gotta make sure that people actually keep watching. Now, this is not really a video that a lot of people are going to keep watching too, but the longer you can have somebody watch your videos, the more it gets suggested, the more views you actually get. So if you're sending your grandpa to a channel that he absolutely gives 0 interest about, even if it's you, if he doesn't care about motorcycles, he's probably not going to watch it for a long time. Well, that's bad for your average view duration, and your views are going down. It's that simple. So I really don't like saying what channels I actually have on the other platforms. I mean, other platforms, it's just YouTube. And that's the reason why I don't really like to say what my main channels are. YouTube will find the perfect viewer for your video. Even like this channel, this is probably my most slowest growing channel ever in my life of YouTube existence. But like I said, I am making a couple of mistakes, and that's why I've been asking you guys a lot of questions. What's your age? Where do you live? What motorcycles do you like? You like Kawasaki, you like KTM, you like my Suzuki Jimny, you like motorcycles more. That's why I've been asking you guys questions, so I can actually know what videos to make. And there is also a lot of people that are making these cash cow channels. Cash cow channels are actually channels where you never show your face, and you just actually steal videos from someone else, and then you just make some compilations of it, or reaction videos. Also putting that into my course, because a lot of those cash cow channels are actually selling their own course, how to make cash cow channels, for like 1,000 or 2,000 bucks, 2,000 euros, which I believe is absolutely nuts, because cash cow channels are just a big scam, and they will get you demonetized pretty fast and pretty soon. And then get a channel you can absolutely do nothing with it anymore. Now it's just stealing videos, making compilations, and just hoping you do not get caught with the copyright infringement and a copyright strike. But yeah, those guys are asking way too much money for their course. So one chapter of my course is actually how to build a cash cow channel. If you're interested, of course. And not really sure about the price of my course, but I'm thinking about like $350, like a full YouTube course, everything I learned in the last 12 years of being a YouTuber. Yes, I've been a YouTuber for 12 years. Everything I have learned in the last 12 years, and I would be asking 350 bucks for it. You guys think that's too much? Is that too much for a YouTube course with everything on it? 350? Some people asked me to make it for free, but yeah, I've been working like the last 4 months on this. It is a lot of work. So if some people are interested and really want to be successful on YouTube as well, and it doesn't matter, it can also be just motorcycle videos like I make. And for this channel, for the Life of Smokey channel, I'm very transparent with my prices and with my earnings. So of course, not making a lot of videos last couple of months. So the channel does like 700-ish euros. That's like 700 bucks a month now. A little bit less, I think it's like 600. But this summer, this is not right. But this summer when I took the BMW GS out, I made 2 videos a week for a month. So I made 8 videos. I got this channel up to like close to 1 million views. It was 1 million views a month. And that was like a 2,000 euro paycheck. And I was just riding around with the BMW GS Adventure. And that made me 2,000 euros a month. So it's pretty good, right? So riding a motorcycle 2 times a week and making a normal wage. So that's why I'm asking a lot of companies now, a lot of big brands for motorcycles. So I can do more reviews and actually pay my bills. I do not need to be rich. I seriously do not care about being rich. You guys probably noticed that. But I only care about being free, having no boss, and having my lunch somewhere by the water. Yeah, but oh, I'm getting old. God dang it. I'm not gonna lie, but this is looking goddamn fine. Now I was going to try it out, but it started raining and it's already dark. Now that is not a good idea to put a motorcycle on it right now. Not that a motorcycle is going to get wet, but I cannot really see what the trailer is doing in the back if it's dark. So first thing in the morning, I'm gonna try that out. So yeah, like I said, YouTube course is coming out soon. Gonna make a lot more motorcycle videos. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think? What motorcycles, what brands should I be testing? So we can have a good motorcycle year. Anyway, yet again, thank you for an awesome 2022. Let's hope for a big ass, mighty 2023. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Drive safe.